Yoga for You and Me, which is jointly curated by Vitamins and Grab Your Mat. This is a series of 15 yoga videos which have been designed specifically keeping the beginners in mind. So if you are looking to start your fitness journey and want to incorporate yoga into your daily routine, then this series is just for you. The entire series is conducted by Madhusatta Chaudhary, who started her fitness, her yoga journey from the tender age of 9 and has many accolades to her, including state, district, and national level titles. She is a certified Ashtanga Vinyasa yoga teacher and is also proficient in Hatha yoga and restorative yoga. I personally thank Madhusatta for taking up this cause and bringing this wonderful yoga series for our viewers. Let's get into the asana of the day.
Hello and welcome to Vitamins Day 4 Yoga for You and Me. So today we learned a pose called Vrikshasana or the tree pose. You go to any yoga class, you will just see this is one of the poses that is being taught first. So why is tree pose or Vrikshasana this important? Because this is the first pose in the yoga series that teaches you balance. So the main function to incorporate yoga in our lifestyle is balance. So this is where it all begins, from the physical body. So we learn to coordinate our mind, body and breath together and balance ourselves and focus at a point, and that increases our focus, concentration, ability to meditate better, and that's the reason Vrikshasana or tree pose is this important. Apart from that, it helps correct your posture, it makes your spine stronger, legs stronger, makes your knees, thighs, hamstrings, hips more flexible. So, how do we go about with Vrikshasana? Stand in Tadasana and slowly with the support of your hand, place the foot on the upper thigh in a way that your heel touches the groin crease. So, this is the first step. Hold the foot, try and balance. Repeat it on the other side. Inhale. With support of your hand, place the foot. The heel should be placed in the groin crease. And balance. For absolute beginners who are finding it difficult to balance, we keep the chair handy so that we hold the chair with one hand and try balancing. Once the foot is in the right place, slowly try to take the hand off, put it in a half prayer sign. Inhale, lift it up. Get it down. Exhale, try to take the other hand off. Inhale, both hands off. And balance. Smile, smile, smile throughout the pose. That will help you focus better, take the anxiety out of you. Exhale, leg down. And we repeat the same thing on the other side. Slowly, with the support of the arm, place the foot. Try to balance. Inhale, first prayer. Exhale, up. And inhale, down. Exhale, release. So, the placement of the foot is very important, because if we place it somewhere here, you are not getting the full benefit of the pose. Neither are you stretching your hamstrings enough, the hips are not opening. If you place it here, you will fall because the knee is helping you balance, right? So placement in the upper thigh with the heel touching the groin is very important. So initially, even if you can't touch the heel to the groin, make sure it's at least in the middle of your upper thigh, right? Okay. Now, the most important thing, what will you do if you have bad knees? If you have arthritis of the knees, if you have bad ankles, then Sadly, Vrikshasana is something you can't immediately start practicing. So what we suggest then, that you go for a semi-eagle pose. So inhale, try to wrap the leg, be here. See how your knee feels. If it feels nice, try to raise it higher. If it doesn't, just keep it and keep practicing your semi-eagle pose. Just wrap and stand. Just wrap and stand. Or if you feel that you don't need to bend the knee at all, if you don't want to take that risk, but you want to practice a balance pose, just hold the chair and try straightening the leg. If you feel that straightening it too much is painful, keep the knee soft and be here. Try balancing. This gives you all the benefits of focus, concentration that Vrikshasana gives you, but doesn't hurt your knee. And of course, just because we are not bending it, it doesn't affect the hips or the knees or make it flexible, but the focus, concentration benefit part you will get. So apart from this, major benefit of Vrikshasana is, just because you are focusing, concentrating, looking at one point, researchers say that it's very good to control migraine. So if you suffer from regular headaches or migraines, Vrikshasana is a pose for you. So do your Vrikshasana practice, try balancing, try coordinating your mind and breath, and I'll see you with the next pose the next day.